Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy. You know that my YouTube channel is called Shaving and More, right? Well, today's one of those days we're going to hit the and more button. I like to throw you a curveball every once in a while, just to make sure you're on your toes. I'm going to show you right now how to plug a tire. If you get a nail or a screw in your tire and it leaks out every few days, you have to run to the service station to refill, re-inflate. I'll show you how to pull that nail out or that screw and install one of these tire plugs. You'll be on the road in no time without even removing the wheel from the vehicle. You won't have to jack the car up or anything. This will work on your car, motorcycle, ATV. If it's inflatable, you can usually use one of these plugs. Along with shaving, it's one of those things that most guys should know how to do. If you want to pick one of these kits up, just click under the video where it says show more and you can grab one there. Well, let's get started.
A tire plug kit will allow you to plug a small puncture in your tire without removing the wheel from the vehicle and without removing the tire from the rim. This will allow you to drive your vehicle to a service center for further inspection or repair. Tools which will also be helpful: a spray bottle filled with soapy water, a utility knife, long nose pliers, and a screwdriver. Safety first, wear eye protection while repairing the tire. Spray soapy water onto the surface of the tire to locate the puncture. Bubbles will form around the area where the air is leaking out. Remove the object causing the puncture. Usually it's a nail or a screw. Here the culprit is a small nail. Insert the rasp into the hole and slide it back and forth vigorously to roughen and clean out the inside of the hole. Remove the plug material from its protective backing and insert it into the eye of the plug tool. Pull the plug through the eye so that it is centered. Use the reverse side of the cap to puncture the seal on the rubber cement. Coat the tire plug with rubber cement. Remove the rasp and insert the plug tool into the hole. This will take some effort and muscle on your part. Insert it into the tire so that the plug is about 2/3 of the way in. Then pull it straight out with a rapid motion. Do not twist while pulling it out. Cut off the excess plug material so that it is flush with the treads of the tire. Check for leaks. Re-inflate the tire to recommended pressure. Usually the tire pressure requirements are on a label inside the driver's side door.
So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you want to pick up one of these tire kits, just click under the video where it says show more. You can grab one there. I'm Geofatboy. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. Have a great shave. Have a great day.